Hello everyone. In this lecture we study about your simple stress and strain. So first one is your what is stress. So stress is defined as the ratio between resisting force to cross sectional area. So what is resisting force? If we apply some load or force on a body, then that body will generate some resisting force. That resisting force to cross sectional area is called your stress, and stress is denoted by sigma. So here you can see sigma is equal to P by A. So where P is your resisting force and A is your cross sectional area. So you all know that force unit is in Newton and area unit is meter square. So the stress unit is Newton per meter square, or we can say it as Pascal. Okay. Now let us discuss strain. So what is strain? So strain is defined as the ratio between change in dimensions to the original dimensions. So the dimensions may be in change in length or change in diameter or change in volume, and strain is denoted by small e. So small e is equal to delta L by L or delta D by D or delta V by V, and strain has no units or it is unitless. Okay. So now let us move to types of stress. So we have three types of stress. First is your tensile stress, then the second one is your compressive stress, and the third one is your shear stress. So now discuss what is tensile stress. So tensile stress means if we apply some tensile force, that means the force is in outer direction, then due to that force the stress generates is called your tensile stress. So here you can see the diagram where we apply the force P in outer direction, which is in tensile nature. So due to that force the stress generates is called your tensile stress. So now let us discuss what is compressive stress. So compressive stress means if we apply the load in inward direction, then due to that force the stress generates is called your compressive stress. So here you can see we apply the load P in inward direction, which is compressive in nature. So due to that force the stress generates is called your compressive stress. Okay. So now let us discuss what is shear stress. So shear stress means if we apply the load P in top or bottom of the body, then due to that force the stress generates is called your shear stress, and shear stress is denoted by tau. Okay. Now we have types of strain. So we have four types of strain. The first one is your tensile strain. So tensile strain means the ratio of increase in length to its original length. So here you can see increase in length to its original length. That is called your tensile strain. Similarly, compressive strain means decrease in length to its original length. And lateral strain means change in lateral dimensions to its original dimensions is called your lateral strain, which is small e is equal to delta D by D. Okay. Now volumetric strain. So volumetric strain means change in volume to its original volume, and where E is equal to delta V by V. Now let us study what is Hooke's law. So Hooke's law states that stress is directly proportional to strain within a certain limit. So we all know that stress is denoted by sigma and strain is denoted by small e. So sigma is proportional to E. So sigma is equal to E multiplied by small e, where E is your Young's modulus of elasticity and sigma is your stress and small e is your strain. Okay.